believe how much gunk will come out. Works on sink faucets.
How do you get rid of unwanted children? That's not a question. What's up, guys? So I start my mornings usually by having some coffee or tea. Then I go through the comment section of my latest video.
Lettuce, when you chop off the bottom, don't throw it out. Put a stick through it and place it over a glass of water so just the bottom touches the water. In just a day, it'll start regrowing new lettuce. Save some money and reduce food waste by doing this.
Is this an infinite food glitch? Kind of. If you think about it, what kind of soil do I use? Don't get those packages of soil that'll say like, loaded with boosters, nutrients, all these things that are added. Just get the raw, plain soil. What you want to do is enrich that soil yourself by just adding eggshells, banana peels.
When you're done cutting up a pineapple, don't throw out the skin.
Can't you just eat pineapple for this? You can, but the skins also contain super beneficial nutrients and vitamins that you can benefit from. How did you grow your pineapple? When you're done twisting off or cutting off the top of the pineapple, don't throw out the top. Instead, gently peel off the bottom 4 layers, leave it hovering over a glass of water, and leave it like that until roots develop.
Watermelon or melons, put them in the fridge and they last for about a month. Grapes, in a Ziploc bag, shake, poke some holes, and in the fridge. Save money, less waste.
I still use 75% of those hacks daily. Blueberries and raspberries, you want to give them that vinegar wash. You know, people think it's kind of a little bit gross, but gotta do it, guys. The bacteria is on the berries. Have you seen them close up? Vinegar and some water diluted. Add some baking soda in there. And then just rinse it with cold water. Store it in an airtight container, but line it up with a paper towel and then put the berries in there. And it won't get mushy and moldy. I mean, you want to keep them separate from everything else. I store them in a dry, cool area. Why do you kind of look like... Jesus. Yeah, I get that too. Have you tried to hang your bananas? I have, and it works. Spinach, have you ever bought spinach and it just gets mushy and like wet? Grab a container, preferably glass. Line it up with paper towel and then place the spinach leaves on top. That'll absorb any moisture they release and then keep it covered in the fridge. Did you know if you grab a lemon and then slice it in half?
Then put a little baking soda on it like that, you can make anything stainless steel shine. Look at that, wow.
By the way, I had so much fun creating that video. That was my first rap one. Is your hair okay?
Just a touch of brush.
Yeah, to answer the question, my hair is fine. Why does it have to be so fast and so loud? I get that question a lot. It works for the algorithm. The algorithm likes it. Maybe just brew a little tea and let it cool.
Pour it in a bottle with a nozzle. Safe to clean even with my kid near it. You feel it?
Do I have to brew the tea with the same tea bag I had in my shoe? No. Reminds me of Lin-Manuel Miranda. Everybody says that, especially when I have my hair up. Do you have any tips for cleaning the oven or wooden floors? Absolutely. If you're trying to clean the oven, Armen Adamjan baking soda mixed with a little bit of lemon juice to make a paste, spread onto the inner walls of your oven. I have a spray bottle of vinegar afterwards, and I spray it, and I watch it sizzle.
And watch it sizzle!
2 hours later, I come back and I just scrub it all out. Everything comes off super clean. Wooden floors, vinegar, a little bit of dish soap, a little bit of lemon juice, really hot water. And if you want to give them that extra shine, I like to use olive oil or coconut oil. You can use a pot lid. You can use a pot lid hack where you grab the microfiber cloth, wrap it around the pot lid.
You can put it like a magnet.
Then you can spread out the olive oil or coconut oil onto your floors. People will say the vinegar and the baking soda, the reaction, that it cancels each other out. Yeah, it does, but that's what makes it sizzle. We need the sizzle action.
And watch it sizzle!
Which in turn makes things loosen up. That's your Did You Know book. Very helpful. Thank you for grabbing my book. And by the way, that's the new book. That's my first 2 books. They're more gardening and plant related. Where this one, the new one, Did You Know? Did you know?
Did you know? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know?
This isn't just about plants anymore.
Containing all the other types of hacks. Cleaning hacks, self-care hacks, upcycling hacks. For the people that are saying I'm so loud and they can't keep up, it's so fast, this is for you guys. Did you know? Go grab it on my website, creativeexplain.com. And that's the ad for this video. My own ad. Your baby's so precious. Yes, she is. I love her. How are you so cute? Maybe she'll be a drummer. Don't like the rapping. Just saying. Can't please everybody, you know? How do I clean stubborn soap scum on shower glass doors? Because you could just take a little bit of vinegar and then spray it on baking soda, throw a layer on it. Grab some baking soda and vinegar.
Spray it on. Baking soda.
And that's it. You don't need to act so insane to get your point across. You have very interesting content, but geez, get on my nerves real bad. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get on your nerves. I was having fun.
That was until I discovered that you could be using the baby cream. You said thieving theme.
Any tips for smelly boxing gloves? You can try the tea bag hack where you put unused tea bags and put them in overnight. That should absorb the odor. Or you can use baking soda, sprinkle it in there and vacuum it out. That works probably even better. You have a video for cleaning the inside of the air fryer? I have a hack for you. So what you want to do is add a little bit of water, then add some dish soap, add some lemon juice and vinegar. Turn it on the low setting for about 5-10 minutes. Rinse it clean. Done. Everything comes right off. This guy definitely taking for his videos. Can we ban this tea bag? I don't take drugs.
Medication.
A lot of people say stuff like that. I think it's the energy and then them being loud, animated. Hey, I have ADHD too. That's the only thing I have. Wait, what? Boom. If you guys didn't know that, it's pretty obvious. Hamilton? Nope. Can we get a hack for getting white socks back to being white? Nope. Absolutely you can. Grab 1 cup of vinegar. It always goes back to vinegar. Put it inside of the cartridge area where you normally put detergent. And then put a cup of vinegar inside with the socks. Grab some baking soda. Put about a tablespoon of it in there with the socks. 40 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It should make your socks white again. Try it. Eminem collab. When? Eminem, if you're listening, you gotta answer that for me, man. Does the tea bag and the shoe really work? Can anyone confirm this? I can. Will using limes instead of lemons yield different results? Not really. Limes and lemons work the same way as the acidity of citrus.
Water rings. Just put a damn cloth over them and then iron them out. Check this out.
Boom, gone.
Stovetop. So sprinkle some baking soda.
Add some fresh lemon juice and watch it sizzle. Scrub and wipe it clean.
Screens. Just dip a tea bag in water, rub it on the screen, and then wipe it off with a coffee filter. Descaling shower heads. Just pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, tie it around the shower head, and let it soak for an hour. You won't believe how much gunk will come out. Works on sink faucet.
How do you get rid of unwanted children? That's not a question. How about removing black mold from ceilings and walls? Try using 3% hydrogen peroxide, works wonders. Did you do a video on removing duct tape residue off windows? Yeah, lemon juice. Why is this dude screaming throughout the whole video? I don't know. Scratches on wood floor. I've tried that walnut hack where you take a walnut and kind of rub it onto the wood scratch. It doesn't fully work. Not every single time. It depends how deep of a scratch it is. I'm just gonna do like a swipe. Whatever comment I land on will get my book. 3, 2, 1. B.O.Lum. You just got my book. I'm gonna send you a message so you can give me your details. If you want to see another video like this, let me know right now in the comments. Just do something different in your day. Believe it or not, that will just spice and that'll cause it'll just try it.